I'll show you how to buy USDC on crypto.com. I'll show you how to do so with a market order, with a limit order, and with a recurring buy. Market order means buying USDC right now at this price. So click on the buy button here, click on search, type USDC, and click on USD coin USDC. Here you need to choose how much you want to put in. You see that you can toggle between USDC and USD. This doesn't really make sense because $100 will always be 100 USDC roughly. So whether you want to use USD or USDC, type the amount of money you want to put in. Let's say I want to buy $100. It will say that I'll get 99.34 USDC. Now you need to choose the payment method. So how you want to pay for your USDC? You can choose to pay with your spot wallet, so your cash account, so the money you have in your spot wallet. If you don't know how to deposit money on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. Or you can also choose to pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card. Once you've chosen your payment method, click on the blue buy button at the bottom that says buy, and you'll see your USDC here in accounts, and then overview, and then crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy USDC on crypto.com with a limit order. Limit order means buying USDC at a specific price. So you'll need to wait until USDC reaches that specific price. This doesn't really make sense if you're buying with the US dollars, but it makes sense if you're buying with another currency, so Euro, GBP, Yen. So click on the three lines in the top left corner, click on limit order, and click on the buy button at the bottom. Here click on search, type USD. And here I cannot choose to buy USDC directly because of my location, but if you have USDC, click on USDC. I'll show you how to do so with the PayPal USD, but the process is the same. So click on USDC, and here you need to choose the price at which you want to buy USDC. So let's say I want to buy at $1, or whatever your currency is. I'll type 1. Then you need to choose how much money you want to put in. So click here where it says enter amount. Let's say I want to buy $100. I'll click on 100. And then you need to choose how you want to pay for it. So again, you can pay with your spot wallet, so the money in your cash account, or you can pay with the crypto you already have. Or if you have also Google Pay, Apple Pay, debit card and credit card enabled, you can also pay with those. Once everything is set up, click on the blue buy button at the bottom that says buy USDC. And you'll see your order here in open orders. Keep in mind that you will not buy USDC right away, but you'll need to wait until USDC reaches the specific price you've set, and then crypto.com will automatically buy USDC for you. And once it's bought, you'll see your USDC here, again in accounts, overview, and crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy USDC on crypto.com with a recurring buy. Recurring buy means buying USDC every so often. So click on the three lines in the top left corner, click on recurring buy. Here it will tell you that you'll set up periodic crypto purchase. Click on setup recurring buy. Here click on search, type USDC, click on USDC. And here you'll need to choose the amount of money you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in $50 every so often, every single buy. I'll type 50. Next you'll need to choose the frequency. So click here on select, and you'll be able to choose whether you want to buy daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. So let's say you want to buy $50 of USDC every single day. Click on weekly and click on confirm. Then you see that repeat on is disabled because you'll buy daily, but let's say you want to buy weekly, click on weekly, click on confirm, and you'll see that repeat on is enabled. Now you need to choose which day you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy every single Sunday. I click on Sunday, I'll click on confirm, and then you'll need to choose how you want to pay for your USDC. So click on select. You can choose to pay with a credit card, debit card. You can also choose to pay with your crypto wallet, so from other cryptocurrencies, or you can also choose to pay with your cash account, so the money in your spot wallet. If you don't know how to deposit money on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. So once you've chosen the payment method, click on confirm and click on the blue button at the bottom that says confirm schedule, and crypto.com will automatically start buying USDC based on how you've set it up.